Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones JBL Tune 760. So all controls located at the right ear cup, and let's get started. Right here we have volume up button that have a plus icon. You need to press one time to increase the volume, and as you can see on this widget I just increase it. If you press and hold it, you will play next track. So let me show it to you, and as you can see it works. To lower the volume, use volume down button what have a minus icon. So again, just press on it, and and the song should play also. So just press on it and you will lower the volume. To play previous track, you need to press and hold on this volume down button. And as you can see, it also works. To play and pause the song, we have right here near to this button, multifunctional button. Press one time to pause the song, and press again to play a song. Okay, let's try it again. And as you can see, it also works. Also, with this multifunctional button, you can call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. And to call it, you need to press and hold on this button. And as you can see, Siri is awake. Also, with this button you can answer the call by pressing one time on this button, and you can reject a call by pressing hold on this button when someone called to you. Next, right here we have ANC button. You just press one time to enable ANC, or press again to disable it. And right here, near to it, we have a power button to turn on or turn off your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!